Hello guys, good morning from the camper. Ayan, kakagising lang namin guys. At dito kami ngayon sa, what is that? Selfie.
Yeah, selfie. Seal Bay Cove.
Seal Bay.
Cove.
Yeah, so, kasi ano dito, holiday, so nagka-camping kami. Ayan, medyo magulo, pero ayan, nagluluto ako ng breakfast guys. Good morning. Ayan, sausage na naman. Yun ang aming breakfast. Meron na ako ditong ginayat ng sibuyas. Ayan. There's a big spread outside. Ayan guys, almost ready. Ayan. Si Jeho andun sa baba. Nasa sunlighting. Medyo makulimlim at malamig-lamig pa rin. Pero later siguro is okay na. Ayan. Malapit na yung onion. Yan ang laman ng fridge namin. Labas ko na yung tinapay. No space kasi. And guys, magluluto ako ng itlog. Diyan din sa pinaglutuan ng sausage. Ayan. Init na yan. Ayan, gusto ni Joy yung itlog niya, ganyan, lutong-luto. Sa akin naman, ganyan. Ayan na guys, ready to go. So guys, let's have some brunch. That's yours, I think, this one.
Oh,
Can I have
well
your
done.
plate? Yeah. Oh, put the olive spread. If you like.
Oh, yeah.
Yan ang abay
You got
olive.
that yesterday.
Yeah. Ayan guys, brunch. Kasi it's nearly 11 o'clock na. Yeah. I think it's 11 now.
I reckon.
Yeah.
I get that cushion bun. This one's not so comfy for me.
Yeah. Ayan, masakit kasi yung likod ni Joe. Ayan, nagtutungkod siya. Yep. Help yourself.
Thanks, then.
Ayan. There's salt and pepper in there.
Mm.
So guys, kain muna kami. What you got there, Joe?
This is my sausage, tomato, egg and onion sandwich. Breakfast.
Brunch.
Yes.
Ayan o, may nag-vlog din yata. It's really good. Tasty.
It's a Cumberland sausage.
It's a good sausage. Ang sarap, guys. Kain tayo. Good. So, hi guys. Pupunta kami ngayon sa swimming pool.
Hello folks. Of swimming and sunbathing.
Nag-ano siya dyan. Ano kasi masakit yung likod niya. Tsaka yung paan niya. So, let's go sa swimming pool. So, may mga ganito yung mga ano dito guys. Yung mga accommodation nila. Caravan, ganyan. Ayan si Joe. Nakakalakad na pakunti-kunti. So, we're going to the swimming pool. Ayan. Ayan, guys. Ang gaganda ng mga ano dito guys, static home. We go bowling later. Ayan guys, dito ako nagkuha ng video kasi bawal doon yung camera sa may swimming pool. Hi guys, good evening dito sa Camping World. Ayan, nagluluto ako ng aming dinner. Ayan, nagluluto ako ng curry. Dito yan sa may vegetables. At yung kanin ko is luto na. Ayan. Pero busy na ngayon dito. Marami ng tao. Mayroong nagbabarbecue. Si Joe nasa baba. Ayan. Nagbawain na siya. At puno na rin yung camping site. Ayan. Ayan. So, ayan yung toilet dyan. At hugasan. Malapit lang kami. Ayan. So, busy. Dito puno na rin. Ayan. So, ayan yung niluluto ko guys. Inaantay ko na lang kasi ayan o, yung kale, garlic kale. Yan ilalagay ko dyan. Tapos magdi-dinner kami. Ayan. So, ayan na guys. We're eating dinner now. How was the dinner?
Oh, very tasty. Yeah, that's right.
Oh, okay.
Delicious.
So, ayan guys. Ang aming dinner. Gutom na gutom si Joe. Han. So, ayan guys. Back to work na. Tapos na yung camping. Back to work uli, and thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you. Bye.